Good morning, 6th class. These days we are doing model test paper, and in model test paper section A, B and C we have discussed and we have done also. So today we are going to discuss the section D, that is literature of our model test paper. You know very well that section A is your reading, section B is your writing, section C is your grammar and section D is your literature. So all of you have your reader book and you know very well that in section D there are three type of questions. One is your scene passage, another is your scene poem, and the third one is your question answers. So let us see what is the passage. Let us read it once. Okay. At times I felt certain that I was being followed. At once, when I was late getting home, I saw two bright eyes staring at me from a thicket. I stood still, my heart banging away against my ribs. Then the eyes danced away, and I realized they were only fireflies. In May and June, when the hills were brown and dry, it was always cool and green near the stream, where ferns and long grass continued to thrive. One day, I found the remains of a barking deer that had been partially eaten. I wondered why the leopard had not been hidden the remains of his meal. Probably he had been disturbed while eating. So let us see. This is the passage that has been given to us. Now let us see the questions that are based on the reading. We have to answer these questions. Now my first question is, name the chapter of the above extract. The extract means a part has been taken from the chapter. So we have to tell the name of the chapter. So you know very well, No Room for a Leopard. The name of the chapter is No Room for a Leopard. Second question, name the writer of the chapter. Who is the writer? So the writer is Ruskin Bond. Now the third question is, which months are discussed in the passage? There are 2 months. Name has come. See, May and June. Okay. Now see the next question. What had been partially eaten? What is the thing that was eaten partially? Now see. One day I found the remains of a barking deer that had been partially eaten. Means it was barking deer. The answer is barking deer. Fifth question. Who had been disturbed while eating? See. I wondered why the leopard had not hidden the remains of his meal. Probably he had been disturbed while eating. So who is he? He is the leopard. So the answer is the leopard had been disturbed while eating. The leopard had been disturbed while eating. Now your second question is scene poem. You see the name. I cannot remember my mother. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometimes in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So you know very well the name of the poem is I Cannot Remember My Mother. Now the second question is, name the poet of the poem, and the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. Now the third question is, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Let us see the words. Mother, play, playthings, hum, cradle. All the words are different. So the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Fourth question. What does the mother do while rocking the cradle? What does the mother do while rocking the cradle? She used to hum. She used to hum some song while rocking the cradle. And the fifth question is, who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker? A poet or a child? It is a question also. Yes, the answer is a child is the speaker in the poem. Now see, these are question answers and let us discuss them one by one. In question answer number 1, which reason does the poet wish to come in the poem Spring Quiet? What is the name of the season that the poet wished to come? Yes, it is the spring season because the winter season is already there and the poet wishes to come the spring season. Second question. Why was the visitor angry? What was the reason that the visitor was angry? The visitor was angry because he was not given the food to eat. Therefore, he was hungry and he was asking for the food and he was very much angry. What was the little group of people at the coach and horses talking about? The little group of people at the coach and horses were talking about the robbery at Visar's house. The robbery that took place at Visar's house. Who were the 3 men who came into the visitor's room? You have to tell the name of the 3 people who came into the visitor room, and they were Mrs. Hall, Mr. Hall, and then it was Jaffer, Hall and Wagger. These were the 3 people, Jaffer, Hall and Wagger. Now the next question is, what do you think the line I have promises to keep means? It means the poet has promises to move forward. It may be any situation. Why did Jumman's aunt threaten to call a panchayat? She threatened to call a panchayat because Jumman was not giving her allowance that was asked by her. Now the 7th question, who said to whom? Is your friendship more valuable than your honesty? These are the words said by Khala to Algu Chaudhary. So it's finished here, MTP 6 class. I hope you all have done the section A, B and C, and today you will complete the section D in your notebook. So bye students. I shall send you the PDF also so that you can do. Bye.